Sora's artificial intelligence has just been introduced. This powerful AI allows you to create stunning and unique videos, as you can see here. It's crafted with precision and stands out from other AIs you've encountered before. Of course, its release took a bit longer than expected, and many competitors entered the market. Sora, developed by OpenAI, recently launched its official website, Sora.com, making it accessible to everyone. Now, let's dive in and explore what makes it so special. Here's where you can write a description to define exactly what you want in your video, such as a family of woolly mammoths roaming the desert. Before creating the video, you can fine-tune its settings. For example, you can choose a dominant style or preset like cartoon, cinematic, stop motion, or cutout style. You can also customize the aspect ratio to suit your needs, adjust the format for vertical mobile viewing or a horizontal landscape, increase video resolution and duration, and even set how many videos you want to generate with a single command, up to 4, for example. Clicking on the guide or help icon shows how much credit you need to create the video. Once everything is set, click on Create. Your video will be processed and ready within a few minutes. A new feature introduced in Sora is the storyboard tool. This allows you to plan and control actions precisely within a timeline. To use it, click the storyboard button. A box, referred to as a caption card, will appear. These cards let you define scenes, characters, or events at specific points in the video. For example, you can specify that an event happens between 1 and 5 seconds. Below the cards, there's a timeline bar where you can arrange and schedule actions in a logical order. This feature is especially useful for brainstorming content on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Is this great loop creation feature? It can create loop videos for you. See, for example, here's a video of Atish in a loop. Notice how the sequence repeats seamlessly every minute. It's very beautiful and cool. Or, for example, watch this video. This is another loop you can create for yourself using this amazing tool. Another standout feature is Remix. This powerful tool allows you to apply changes to your videos using simple text commands. You can add elements, remove parts, or completely transform the video. While similar features exist in tools like Gentry, Sora offers unmatched flexibility and ease of use. For example, let's transform a minimalist house by the beach into a modern building on the coast. This is where the Remix feature shines. Click the Remix option to enter the editor. From there, you can easily make changes like transforming the building into something entirely new. Click on the Remix option to enter the editor. You can easily make changes in the editor. For example, you can change the building from a modern house to a more contemporary design. We have the intensity adjustment here. For instance, the previous mode is used for making significant changes like this major transformation. It also has a gentle mode, called medium, for smaller changes, such as adding a few trees to the environment. Additionally, there's a very delicate mode for minor adjustments, like removing the windows from the building. Well, this is part of Sora's Remix feature. It starts applying changes, and the result is almost identical to the original video, but with a different house. That's how this feature works. Another exciting feature is the ability to combine two videos into one. Sora blends them seamlessly to create something entirely new and visually captivating. For example, look at these two videos. After combining them, the result is this strikingly beautiful image. You can also apply unique effects to your videos by assigning them a specific style. For instance, this video features one style, while the next has a completely different aesthetic. Sora offers two subscription plans, one at $20 per month, which includes 1,000 credits to create up to 50 videos. With this plan, you can generate videos up to 7:2 resolution, and each video can last a maximum of 20 seconds. The second, premium plan, costs $200 and allows you to generate videos in up to 1080 resolution with the ability to create up to 5 videos simultaneously. Each video can last a maximum of 20 seconds. I hope you enjoyed this overview of Sora. If you liked it, make sure to like the video and leave your comments below.